Welcome to this quick how-to guide on installing IPTV Smarters on your Firestick device today. First, make sure your Firestick is properly connected to your TV and connected to Wi-Fi. Navigate to the home screen of your device, then select the search icon in the top left corner. Type in Downloader using the virtual keyboard displayed on your screen and hit Enter to search. In the search results, choose the Downloader app and install it by clicking the Get button. Now that Downloader is installed, go to your settings to enable apps from unknown sources. Open the Downloader app and in the URL field, type the link for IPTV Smarters app. Allow the app to download, then install the IPTV Smarters application onto your device. After installation, return to the home screen and find IPTV Smarters in your app library. Launch the IPTV Smarters app, ready to configure it with your IPTV service provider details. Log in using provided credentials from your IPTV service. Alternatively, use a playlist or URL. Check out 2tv.store for premium IPTV services to make the most of your streaming device. Once logged in, explore your new library of channels, on-demand content, and more features. Ensure your device's settings are optimized for peak streaming speed and quality viewing. And there you have it. Enjoy seamless streaming with your newly installed IPTV Smarters app. If this guide helped, subscribe and share for more tech tips. Happy streaming, everyone!